Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through some essential accessories for the iPad M4, specifically the TP-Link Gigabit Ethernet adapter and the Spigen AirDock Multi-Hub. First, let's talk about the TP-Link Ethernet adapter. If you need a stable and fast wired internet connection, this little device is a must-have. While Wi-Fi gives a decent ping of around 4 milliseconds, it's still higher compared to a direct Ethernet connection. Streamers using a wired connection often get a ping as low as 1 or 2 milliseconds, which is a huge advantage for competitive gaming, especially in games like BGMI. A lower ping means less lag, faster response times, and an overall smoother gaming experience, which is why most pro gamers and streamers always prefer Ethernet over Wi-Fi. And the best part, this adapter is plug and play, requiring no extra setup. Just connect it, and you're good to go. Now, let's move on to the Spigen AirDock Multi-Hub, a super useful accessory for expanding your iPad's connectivity. This hub comes with two USB-C ports and two USB-A ports, all supporting 5 Gbps speeds, making file transfers quick and seamless. It allows you to connect multiple accessories like external drives, keyboards, and mice, making multitasking much more efficient. However, one major drawback of this hub is that it doesn't have a dedicated power input, meaning there is no charging port in the USB-C connection. So, when you're using this hub, you must ensure your iPad is fully charged, as you won't be able to power it while using the hub. This can be a limitation for long working or gaming sessions, but don't worry, very soon, I'll be posting a video on a hub that supports simultaneous charging, so stay tuned for that. The TP-Link Ethernet adapter provides a low-ping, stable internet connection for gaming and streaming, while the Spigen AirDock Multi-Hub expands your connectivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. More exciting content coming soon. Stay tuned.